to verify Cash App Bitcoin wallet. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, you simply open up your Cash App and we are going to verify our Cash App in order to verify our Bitcoin wallet, because it is actually our identity which is verified on Cash App and not actually the Bitcoin wallet. So all you have to do is just simply open up the home page, which is on the bottom left hand side corner. Simply open it up. The screen might turn black for me as due to security reasons, but just simply follow the voice. So just go to the home page, then click on the option of Bitcoin. After that, you can see the option of buy Bitcoin, and when you scroll down, you will be able to find the option of deposit Bitcoin as well. Just simply click on it. Now here it will ask you to verify your identity. Just simply click on the option of verify identity, and now it will ask you some stuff about you, like your phone number, your date of birth, your legal name, and at the end of verification it will also ask you to provide your security, and in the end of this particular verification it will also ask for the SSN number, the last 4 digits of your SSN number. Just simply provide that, and after verification you would be able to purchase your Bitcoin on Cash App and do all the transactions related to Cash App, all the transactions related to Bitcoin on Cash App. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.